friends, and welcome to Timberwolf Treasure. I'm Colleen, and we're going to do a fun little project today. I'm going to use a small little charm, my Let's Resin UV resin, some fun sparkles that I got off of Temu, and for the final coat, let's clean that up a little bit, Roleo pigment and Celeste blue. That is a very pretty color. I don't know if I'd call it blue, but I like it either way. So let's have some fun. Okay, so to start with, I'm thinking it's going to go into this one. I think that's the best option. This is a nice little mold I got off of Temu. And I tend to like getting the ones with lots of different styles and designs on it. So like this will give me all these different options to make all sorts of different stuff. I like to put this stuff on, so I do end up getting some of the, use some more than others, but that's okay. Eventually I will use all, you betcha. Okay, so I'm going to start. What I like to do is I always put a thin layer because I want the top of the necklace to be nice and shiny with no bubbles, no roughness. So I always start with a thin layer of UV resin. This is just my preference. It's what I like to do. I like the final product. So we're going to put that just under the UV light just for a couple minutes because I just want it to get hard enough that everything else we do is not going to cause any problems. This is actually quite an easy project, just a little charm. I hope it's going to turn out really nice. So thank you one and all. I hope you're doing well today. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what we're doing. I do appreciate you. Drop a line. We got some new additions to people that are watching. We had another one from London. The one from Washington State. That's not too far from us. One from Idaho. And another Australian. So very, very cool. Thank you one and all. Okay, so that's good. Like it's not, is it 100% cured? No, but we're going to be doing lots of different layers. So I just want it so they won't all mix together. So here I'm putting the layer that I'm going to put the butterfly in. And just make sure if you see any bubbles, you get rid of them. See, I can see that one there. And this one I'm going to be putting, let's just put it right in the middle where you want it to sit. And hope that the resin doesn't have other ideas. So I'm going to make sure that I have resin all the way through that so we don't get a big bubble when I cure that. Because I like to make sure they're all cured up. And another little zap. Oops, I just blew it out. That doesn't help, does it? And another quick cure. The next layer I'm going to be putting on is the sparkle. So just putting that in. And in this one, the sparkle, anyone who's ever used glitter, you know it's going to go wherever it feels like. So I'm trying to maintain the mess. Probably won't, but you can always try. And that's what I'm doing. I've got quite a bit in there because I want it to get a nice finish. I want it to... And this is, I'm just mixing all the UV resin in here, hoping that this will help keep all the sparkle from getting airborne. Okay, so this is just cured, not full. No, not full at all. And let's put this in. And that's coming. That's pretty. I like. Okay, I'm going to be honest. There's a change in plans, which is okay. I don't think it needs another color behind it. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. I honestly, and I have no problems admitting that I'm changing my mind. It's everyone's prerogative, especially a woman's, if you've ever heard that saying. And Look at how pretty those, love it. Okay, so I'm going to do a full cure. And I like to, because I do work in layers, I do a cure from both sides on a UV resin. So I'm going to start with doing 2 minutes and then flip it over. I will be right back after the curing is done. We'll see how this happens. And we're back. Thank you very much for hanging out with me and seeing how this cute little project will be finished. I love the color with the kind of a magenta and a teal. That is a lot of fun. That is a lot, and fun for all the ages. Before we have a quick look at this, I just wanted to let everyone know that we're very excited to announce that we now have a membership group. So if you're interested in seeing special member videos, there's going to be polls for you to do, a special membership. And I have my first members only video up, and I was actually shocked at how pretty it was at the end. So hope if you're interested in becoming part of our wolf pack, stop by, check it out. And there is very affordable options. Okay, let's see what this is. I'm excited. Okay, so just pops right out of here. That's a good mold. That is. So let's see if, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's fun. I like that. That is really pretty. For someone who likes like some sparkle and color and butterflies. Oh, that's so nice. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it. There's the butterfly. That is so much fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you, one and all, for sticking around this long. I'm just going to be putting a bail on it, a necklace, and then the final pictures will be at the end of this video. For now, I want to thank one and all, and I wish you nothing but the best. Okay, bye-bye.
In a flash, turning simple drops into a masterpiece with class. Clear as a diamond, tough as the pack. Once you see the finish, you won't ever look back.